Hello friends, in the playlist of Discovering Statistics using Jamovi, today I will discuss a non-parametric test. The name of test is One Sample Wilcoxon Sign Rank Test. In this video, I will discuss hypothesis, manual calculation, demonstration with software, decision making, and how to report the findings in the case of one sample Wilcoxon sign rank test. The one sample Wilcoxon sign rank test is a non-parametric alternative to one sample t-test when the data cannot be assumed to be normally distributed. Friends, in one sample t-test, we have to check the assumption of the data should be normally distributed. When our data does not meet this assumption, normal distribution, we can apply Wilcoxon sign rank test. It is used to determine whether the median Wilcoxon sign rank test use median of the sample is equal to the known standard value. Standard value means hypothesized value. We will discuss the meaning of hypothesized values in our coming slides. Assumptions of one sample Wilcoxon test. Observations are mutually independent to each other. Measurement scale is at least ordinal. Here is a problem. In a medical college, a random sample of 12 students' marks have been recorded. Is there any evidence at 5% level of significance to suggest that the median marks are not equal to 67? Here, we would like to perform two-tailed test because the words are not equal. Student serial number 1 to 12, and here are the marks 70, 80, 40 and so on. Here, this 67 is called hypothesized value with which we would like to compare the claim of a teacher, the claim of a principal. It can be past value also. Hypothesis. Null hypothesis, the population median value is equal to M0. M0 means hypothesized value. Alternate hypothesis, the population median value is not equal to M0. In our case, hypothesized value is 67. Null hypothesis will be the population median value is equal to 67, and alternate hypothesis will be population median value is not equal to 67. First method, which we study in our UG and PG level. Here the serial number of students, this is marks. We can say observation. Hypothesized value 67. Take difference. Observation minus 67. 70 minus 67, 80 minus 67, 40 minus 67. Friends, you have to note down the differences with signs. Now next step. Rank. Rank ignoring plus minus sign. We have to rank these values but ignoring plus minus sign. Friends, note it down. Here is a value 0. We will discard this value or we will ignore this value. Next minimum value is 2. Rank will be 1. And next value is 3, then rank will be 2. And our next value is 4, we will give rank 3, and next value is 5, but 5 is 2 times, ignoring plus minus sign. Now, original ranks are 4 and 5, but we will give average rank 4 plus 5 divided by 2, 4.5 and 4.5. Friends, in this way, we will give ranks ignoring plus minus sign to the differences of the values. Now we will note down the only sign. Sign of this value plus sign of this value 13 plus minus 27 minus 4 plus, and we will ignore the value 0. In this way we have noted down the signs. Now we will, according to sign, we will note down the ranks of positive value. There are some positive signs, there are some negative signs. we will note down the rank of positive value. The positive, there is a positive sign, rank is 2. Second positive, rank is 8. Third is negative, rank is 10. We will note down in a separate column. In this way, we will note down the positive value, rank of positive value and rank of negative value. Now check the total. Total of this rank of positive value, total is 50.5 and total of rank of negative value is 14.5. In some books, it has been noted down as T plus, or in some books it has been given as W plus. Either can be used. Now we will perform manual method, test statistics with manual method. Sum of ranks 50.5, positive ranks. Sum of negative ranks 14.5. Check the smallest value between, smallest value is 14.5. Our calculated value or test statistics will be called 14.5. Check the table value. We have to compare this value with table value, and we should have table value. We will check the table value n for 11. Here values are 12, but one value was equal to hypothesized value. We will discard the value. Now 12 minus 1, the 11 will be counted. At 5% level of significance, check in table. I have a table in my slides. This is a table. These are values, Wilcoxon T statistics. One tail, two tail. I have to check two tail. This is 10% level of significance, 5% level of significance. I have to check at 5%. And Rn is 11. Check this value. Value is 11. Now we will compare our test statistics 14.5 with 11. What is the criteria? Calculated value is greater than equal to table value, then null hypothesis accepted. In our case, 14.5 is greater than 11. We can say null hypothesis accepted. What was the null hypothesis? Means there is no significant difference between the population value and hypothesized value. Means there is no significant difference. Now come to second method. This is our calculated positive values, rank of positive values and rank of negative values. In second method, test statistics uses positive value. Positive values are 50.5. We have some formulas to calculate Z statistics. To calculate Z statistics, T bar. This is the formula. This is the formula for standard error T, and this is the formula for Z. In our case, T bar will be 33. N I have put here 11. Now I got T is equal to 33. Standard error is to 11.247. Put the value 50.5 for T and 33 for T bar, and standard error of T is equal to 11.247. Then we get Z is equal to 1.556. In this method, we will compare this value with 1.96, ignoring plus minus sign. Then the null hypothesis is rejected. If this value is greater, then null hypothesis is rejected. But this value, but it is the less. If this value is greater, then null hypothesis is rejected. But its value is less, null hypothesis will be accepted, as same as we done in last method. We have done in first method. Friends, I have a file in my system, one sample Wilcoxon test. Let's open Jamovi. In Jamovi, the file name is one sample Wilcoxon test. To perform this test, in analysis tab, t-test, click on one sample t-test. In one sample t-test, there are two boxes. Here is the variable marks. We will shift the variable marks in dependent variable, and we have to perform Wilcoxon test, Wilcoxon rank, uncheck the students, and we have to compare this value, test value, or we can say hypothesized value, 67. We will check the box descriptive also. Let's check the output in output region. Wilcoxon W, statistics, manual calculated value 50.5, P 0.130. Our alternate hypothesis and descriptive, N mean, median, standard deviation and standard error. Let's come to our slide and check how to report the results. Descriptive, here it is median 71.5 and this is the output and decision 55.5, manual calculated value. This value will be compared with table value and this is the p value. Compare with the level of significance as 0.05. 0.05 means if this value is low, less than 0.05, we will reject the null hypothesis, but in this case our value is more than 0.05. We will accept our null hypothesis. Effect size. If it was found that there was a significant difference, then we will calculate the effect size. But in our case, there was no significant difference. No, we will not calculate the effect size. Effect size is standardized measure of effect size. The formula is R is equal to Z upon under root N. We will report like this. This is our two main tables. The median marks of medical college student, median is equal to 71.5, is not significant different than hypothesized value 67. Z is equal to 1.556, which we have calculated earlier. WOT, this value will be reported in our findings, in our results. As per result reporting, case of reporting 50.5 and P is equal to 0.130. Our median marks of medical college students is not significant different from 67. Friends, in this video I have discussed about one sample Wilcoxon rank test, how to perform, how to calculate manually, how to take hypothesis, how to make decision and how to report your findings. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you, my friends.